We did our prenup photo shoot in Taiwan, and in this video, I will share with you every details ng aming overseas prenup para may idea kayo if ever you decided to do your photo shoot overseas. Fiancé has a friend na may kilalang photo-video team na Taiwan-based na nirecommend sa amin. They are all Filipinos, so walang language barrier. Mas magastos kasi kung kami ang magdadala ng photo-video team sa Taiwan kasi sagot namin lahat ng trip expenses nila. Plus, fee pa sa mismong photoshoot. We chose to do the photoshoot sa Alice Sky kasi very fairy tale ang theme na gusto ko. We had 4 outfits. 2 outfits ay kasama na sa package na inavail namin. Then we paid extra for 1 traditional Chinese wedding outfit. We also had our casual outfit we brought ourselves. The hair and makeup was also included sa package namin. May entrance fee din ang Alice Sky and we shouldered everything kasama yung sa photo video team. The photo shoot lasted for a day and we really enjoyed it. Kahit sa ang sulok ng Alice Sky, napakaganda talaga. Sulit talaga ang pagod namin kahit same day ng arrival namin sa Taiwan ang schedule ng shoot namin. We had a very memorable and napakagandang prenup sa Taiwan.